With summer upon us, a lot of people are going to be traveling, and I came up with some traveling hacks for you to make it a little bit easier, a little bit better. So if you're going to be packing your shoes in your suitcase and you don't want to kind of mess up your clothes or anything else in there, put a shower cap around your shoes and it will help to protect everything. Look at that. Pretty cool, right? You can also kind of stuff your shoes with some of your items. I put socks in here. Okay, another thing to help with leaking, use some cling wrap, saran wrap here. If you want to help to get that tightened cap on there a little bit stronger so it won't leak, this really is a great tip. Another thing, if you're going to be flying, the TSA security checkpoint, people don't really like those ice packs that contain water that freezes. I don't know about the jelly ones, but the water ones. So what you can do if you want to bring your own food and you want to keep it cold, use a sponge, fill this with water, let it freeze, and then if they do end up having to throw it away, there's only a couple bucks. Okay, what about your jewelry? You can actually use your pill dispenser for different days of the week, or just to, you know, put your different pieces of jewelry. I put earrings in here, but if you want to put your jewelry in terms of your necklaces and bracelets away from that so it doesn't tangle, use a straw. You actually want to put the chain part through the straw, and that will help it so it doesn't tangle with anything else. All right, I've got a cool makeup hack here for you. You hate when that happens, right? Oh, when it breaks. Well, you can prevent that from breaking if you want to go ahead and put a little cotton round inside your compact, and it will act as a little buffer, so if it does fall, it shouldn't break, shouldn't. Okay, and then what about your razors? If you're gonna be traveling with razors, you wanna protect the blades from kind of messing anything up in your suitcase, but also if you go to grab it. So get one of these office clips, and you can actually clip it around there, and it will protect the blade. It will protect you from the blade. And then one last quick tip here. If you're gonna be using your hot tools while you're getting ready, but then you're like, oh no, I need to pack it, and you don't have time to cool it down, you can actually use an oven mitt if you don't have one of the carrying cases that goes with it. But remember, you wanna use the outside of the oven mitt, not the inside, because that's the part that touches hot things. All right, I guess I do have one more tip for you guys. Bring a scarf on the plane because you can wear it as a wonderful accessory, but use it as a blanket. Safe travels.